Yo, it is 8:35, Friday, August 29th, and today my daily bias is bearish. So why I say that is if we take a look at the 15-minute, we are holding this 15-minute gap. News came out and we're rejecting down still. I want to see us hold this 15-minute gap, and I also want to see us hold this hourly gap to continue down with all this strong ass bearish pressure we've had. So if we hold this gap, I'm definitely gonna feel sells. So whether it's to London lows or even yesterday's prior session lows. And if we take a look at the 4 hour, we recently inverted this gap up here, and we've just been moving strongly down. So the only way I'm really gonna think of buys is if we are inversing this hourly come 9 a.m. or even at 10 a.m. if we inverse this hourly. And same thing with the 15-minute. 15 minutes gonna be not as strong as a conviction. It's definitely gonna be on that hourly, but I want to hold this gap on the 15-minute to confirm that bearish bias. But still got a little less than an hour till market open, so I'll catch you then. All right, we got market open now, so I think it's just gonna run lower, or maybe not. Damn. Yeah, we're about to run data low, and this SMT is about to break shortly. And then we're going to have one with the data low as SMT. All right, hit that data low. Now we have a data low SMT. All right, I kind of wanted to see us trade. Yeah, I want to see us. We can leave that wick. I want to see us flip bullish and trade into this 5 to get a continuation out. Also have a possible mech model, but I'd only take it if it's on this candle or the next possibly. So right here to this 5. But it's not looking like we're going to flip, so. Yeah, nah, I'm good off this mech. So we're about to open up a 5, and we have news at 10. So this is actually, Will just said, is the longest, not the longest, the strongest orange folder news that comes out. So maybe we get a 5-minute continuation to previous day low. If not, let's just see what news delivers us to. It's not looking like we're going to get into this 5. Now we're shooting up. Okay. Fucking great. I tapped into that upper 5. Shit. All right. 3-minute isn't looking too shabby. Good displacement would be a limit order. I don't know. I feel like I don't know something about this. I got a bad gut feeling right now. Would have been tagged in. I feel like this is gonna be like one of those things. I feel like this is gonna be like that trade from the other day where the volume's dying out, and also we just inversed a 5-minute higher, and today's gonna be a day where we close a little bit sooner because there's no other sessions and all that extra shit. So let's just see. Something about this, bro. It's not. It's not. It's not talking to me. It's not whispering. It's that volume, bro. I don't know if I'm scared or some shit, but all right, man. That gut feeling played out. That gut feeling played the fuck out. The gut feeling played the fuck out, bro. The gut feeling played the fuck out, bro. Let's go. Saved myself there. I did have that limit set, but then I don't know, something about it was just like, it wasn't. It wasn't whispering. Now maybe off a resweep it'd whisper a little more. I'm just kidding. I'm not. I'm not. I don't know. It's just not. It's not there for me. Yeah, I think this shit's cooked because we're not gonna inverse this 15, but I think the rest of the AM session is just gonna sit in accumulation. So I think I'm gonna just catch out during PTC. Super glad my gut feeling saved me again today. Well, not again today, but saved me today. So yeah, I'll catch you during PTC later, and if anything shows, then I'll obviously come back to it. Your PTC time. It is 1:30 now. Let's do our PTC of today, and then little weekly recap kind of thing. So getting into today first. This was just like a flash dump. Like this shit just fucking dumped. We sat in accumulation, manipulated up, boom, dumped down right after this 8:30 news came out. And we never retraced into any five. We never got a continuation out. There was one continuation model that I almost took, bro. I set the limit order and everything, and then as I'm waiting on it to get filled, I thought about it, and I'm like, I feel like the volume's dying out. We just inversed the 5 minute, and the only confluence is really like the momentum that it's a 3 minute inverse, and that we tapped the five. It's not like we had an SMT and we had ran so much sell side that I was like, even though we are continuing still to run more sell side. Yeah, it literally would have just stopped me out and then sprinted down to my TP. But yeah, it was this 3 minute right here. And I like the displacement on it coming off of the tap of the upper 5 minute. But we had just inversed the lower 5 minute to the upside. So then I was like, and it just wasn't speaking to me. It was one of those gut feeling things. And I even had the limit and everything set. I was ready to do it. But just like right before I got tagged in, I was like, nah. And I would have been content even if it ran down. We just ran so much sell side. We inversed that lower five, and I wasn't feeling it at the time. Thankfully, the market gave me a chance to get out of there, trust my gut, and get the fuck out and protect myself. Yo, so cut the PTC real quick, like little pause on it. But I didn't even remember at all setting that second set of limit orders, bro. Now that I went back and I edited it, like I had just finished editing and I seen that, I'm like, I do not remember that at all. I don't know why I don't remember that. I'm not proud of that shit though, whatsoever. Once that gut feeling, like once I canceled it the first time, that should be it. I shouldn't be going back and forth contemplating, should I take this, should I not? Like that shows that it's not a trade that I'm gonna be content with if I lose. If I'm sitting there and I'm back and forth with it, like right then and there, I should already know, leave it. But thankfully, I'm able to see that now, and I'm able to fix that. So glad I edited it. So yeah, back to the PTC, back to it. But yeah, that's really all that happened today. Little flash dump, saved myself here. Nothing more. We're still selling off now, and it's also going to be a long weekend this weekend. But as far as the week overall goes, man, I'm super thankful, super proud. Under 4 months past my first evaluation. Now, I did take my first L on that eval. My first L was my first trade ever on a funded. And I'm like, I'm not even mad. Like, you see, I'm chilling. Like, I'm okay with taking that L. I thought I was going to be more pissed because essentially it is my money now, like almost real money, basically. But I thought I might have been pissed. Chilling, bro. I lost 750 yesterday, and I'm chilling. I really feel like my psych's getting there. Friday or Saturday, whenever I uploaded that little, like, straight up just talking video, I said, like, this week I wanted to pass that eval. Did that. I wanted to be more reactive. Every single trade I entered this week, granted, I didn't win. Snappy with it, bro. I was quick to react. I wanted to be like, I forgot what the other one was, but it was something as far as like being more attentive and things like that. And I feel like I was this week. I really feel like if I can continue to grow like I did from last week to this week, bro, 6 months from now, bro, you know what I'm saying? I feel like my discretion's getting better every single day. My read on price is getting better every single day. What's this shit called? My conditions are getting better every single day, little by little. Like, okay, I'm in the Discord obviously every day with the live trading, and I don't signal bot. Granted, I do take a lot of the same trades as them, but that's because I can sit here and I can tell you why I'm not sitting here signal botting, and I also like these kind of trades. But if they don't play out, they don't play out, bro. I'm just gonna stay the course, head down, keep busting my ass to try to get this for real. I just feel like I'm improving, bro, and I want to keep this going. I really want to keep this going. I'm super thankful to pass that funded account. Like, that shit really made my week. But, yeah, as far as that goes, this week I stuck to all my rules. Not my rules, my goals. I did stick to all my rules as well as far as risking. I really love the fact that I was quick to react, man. I can't get over that.
Like, I was hesitant, so fucking hesitant before this week, bro. I would miss out on so many fucking opportunities, dude. Lack of preparation, lack of this, lack of that. This week, I was sharp, and that's how I need to be every fucking week. If anything, I need to keep being more sharp. Like, I need to get sharper than I already am. And everything's just improving for me. Okay, I'm not winning trades, right? I'm not, but my discipline is still there. Bro, if I can keep my discipline this good in a state that I'm not winning at, imagine when I feel like when I am winning, obviously it's going to be a new psychological battle because like I'm going to be like, oh, I'm winning so much. Like, blah, blah, blah. But we're not even going to get in that. But when I am winning, it's just going to feel so much better because I stayed the course. Like, I stayed disciplined all throughout those rough times. So I know that when I'm good, like after I hit my one trade, it's a win. I'm able to just close out and call it a day, bro. So I'm super excited to see what the future holds. I'm super thankful to be in this position. I feel like I'm doing pretty well. Like, I feel like I'm doing pretty well. I don't have major psych issues, and those major issues that I personally feel I do have, bro, I'm working on them, and I'm working on them quick, dude. And I'm super thankful, and I'm super proud of myself to be doing that. So yeah, overall, we may not have been up on the week. We may not have been able to pass this top step. I feel like this shit's cursed. But bro, let's look at the bright side. Like, I'm officially a funded trader now. Like, I completed one of my goals. Like, one of my big goals. Like, I know what it feels like to pass an account now, and it feels good as fuck. So I want to do that. Next step is a payout. I'm looking to get that within the next month, 4 to 6 weeks. I want to get a payout. That's where I'm at. 4 to 6 weeks. I want to get my first payout. So yeah, man. Let's just keep this momentum going. Let's continue to be disciplined, and long weekend. So I'll catch you guys on Tuesday. Peace out.